Motichur Laddu. Hi, hello, welcome to the Besan. I'm Cashews. So dear friends, it's going to be a lovely Diwali dhamaka where we are going to just make it as sweets and savories. So it's also called as Suvaika Samika Diwali. So this is going to be a lovely session of Diwali sweets. Do not miss each and every episode. It comes in 2 languages, Tamil and English. Whichever language you're comfortable with, please choose. Try these sweets and keep us posted. Happy Diwali. This is a lovely session of Motichur Laddu. This Motichur Laddu is going to be made in a very simple and yet a very sweet way. So let's look into how to do this lovely, simple and yummy Motichur Laddu. For this Motichur Laddu, let's keep all the required ingredients beside us. Now first heat some oil in the wok. And look at this, I am using a ladle which has the regular holes for the regular bundi, but this is little bigger in size, so I put a aluminium foil sheet and I made smaller holes, so that will give you the smaller version of bundis for this Motichur Laddu. So that's why we have put a small thin holes. It depends on whatever size you get. Maybe nowadays in the shops the smaller ones are also available, so you can try buying them. In case you are not able to get that, you can follow this method of using this aluminium foil on the ladle. Now let's mix the batter for this bundis. So this is besan flour. To have a smooth small balls, we can add 1 tablespoon of corn flour with this. This is optional, if you like you can add. And then we can add a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt. Even if it is a sweet, a pinch of salt will always enhance the sweet, so that's why we are using that. Now add water and mix it without any lumps. It should not have any lumps, and the consistency of the batter should be very thin. It should be really very thin, so that when you drop, they all immediately fall into thin, round, small balls. So look at the consistency. It's very thin. Let's add some food color to this. This is red color. So that what will happen? The laddus, have you seen? These Motichur Laddus are normally orange in color. So to have an orange color, you can add either orange color or the kesari, regular kesari color we can add, so that we get nice small orange Motichur balls. Now the batter is ready. Check for the heat of the oil and then hold the ladle close to the oil and drop these bundis. Once the oil is full, remove the ladle and let this get cooked. See, there might be some lumps formed, but need not worry about that, because we are going to anyway do another trick to get this right. See, the bundis are done. As they are very thin, we can remove them immediately. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. Now let's prepare the sugar syrup. So as I said, it's 1.1 and 1/4 cup of sugar for 1 cup of besan flour. That's the measurement we are taking. It should be little more than the besan flour amount. Add 1 cup of water and allow it to boil. Now we can add the cardamom, clove and the edible-camphor as an essence to this, that we can add it to the sugar syrup. So just give it a small grind and then you will get into fine powder. So we can add these spices which will enhance the flavor. So allow this consistency of the syrup to just a thin single line. Let it not become very thick. So it should be very normal thin line. Now here have a look at the bundis. They are small in size. Some of them are here and there bigger also, but the normal size is small. But when you're going to look into the Motichur Laddus, the speciality of Motichur Laddu is itself being very soft when you're going to eat it, they are soft. But any laddu if you prepare with the regular bundi, what happens is the bundi and the syrup get together and they stiffen after some time. They become little hard. So I am going to just give it a small grind. See, I have ground the bundis. I have just churned it once. So what happens, it's somewhere it is half size and somewhere it is full size. So this kind of a consistency I require to have a soft laddu. See, look at this. Can you see the bundis now? They are all around half or full bundis, but they are not into the big lumpish shapes, or they are not into complete full bundi. So this will give a soft bundi for us. Now look at the syrup. This is a trick actually I found out when eating these Motichur Laddus. I felt they are very soft and nice. So once you break them also, they are very nice to eat. So there should be something else with this Motichur. So what I try to do is I just put 1 tablespoon of normal milk Kova into this, so that they enhance the taste and they also retain the softness of the laddus. I am adding a little color to the Kova as well as the syrup. So give it a small grind. So what will happen is the Kova will get mixed well. See, this is one thin string consistency, just one thin string. It should not be very thick because they will become hard otherwise. So let it be one thin string consistency. Now once you reach that consistency, we can add this ground bundis to this. Before that, we can add the ground cardamom and clove camphor mixture what we have. So now it's ready. I am going to add the ground bundi to this. Remove it from stove. Give it a thorough mix. Add the Kova now to this. Can you see? See how nice the consistency itself is, but we need to make it into small laddus, Motichur Laddus, no? So what we are going to do is just cover it up and allow them to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until they become little warm. Now I have allowed it for 20 minutes and it has become cool. Just have a look at the consistency. See, you would have noticed when we did it, and now the consistency has become little more thicker. See, the syrup has absorbed all the Besan bundi, small Motichur bundis. So here we have, now it's in a right consistency to make the laddus. Take one cashew in your hand, hold it like this, apply some ghee to your fingers. You can grease it with ghee. Now take a few thing and look at this. We are making a small ball. So here our Motichur Laddu is getting ready. Now because we ground the bundis, they are of a very nice fine shape and we are getting the lovely Motichur Laddus. They look beautiful, isn't it? So it's very simple to prepare this Motichur Laddu. So dear friends, when you prepare these laddus, please do not forget to share the photos either with Facebook or in the email to us, so that in the coming episodes we will be talking about and discussing about those subscribers who are sharing their photos, and we would like to mention about you. It will be of a great help to us, and we'll also feel so happy to actually be with you all through. So please do try this and keep sending your comments and your photographs. So dear friends, look at this lovely Motichur Laddus. We have made it yummy and a beautiful way. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.